guys, today we're gonna be showcasing two more new weapons. And ding 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 ding, Hunty Zombie. First up, we have the axes. Whoa. Whoa. Don't mind those sparking again, those are my bags. They're so noisy. But here are the M1s. One, two, I don't know, but I think there's 4 M1s. Let's see some abilities. Alright. First avenue, we have dual slash. Ooh. Slash the axes together. Slash the X together. And now we have the next move, quad shot. Oh my gosh, I think there's 4 or 3. 4 or 3. Alright, let's try axe cycling. Oh, it's like a tornado, but slash. We just have to get the dual axe ultimate. Not the last video, I would call the bar where you like to fill them up. I probably say ultimate. If you haven't seen the video where I showcase the guitar and the monster club, I spelled it wrong because I thought it was monster club, but it was a zombie club. So sorry for this type. I can't delete it because I don't have it again. I changed it to the spindle. Oh my god. I changed it because it got 10 extra spins, so I couldn't get it. I spin the guitar and the zombie club, so yeah. Anyways, we're almost there to the bar ultimate, so I'll just skip when we get there. By the way guys, if you didn't hear what I said, I was going to say I keep stuttering. I don't know why. I keep oh my gosh, why do I keep stuttering? Alright guys, I finally do not stutter again. I'm forcing myself to not stutter. I was going to say I'll skip to the part when I have the bar, the ultimate. Sorry there guys, I kept stuttering. But I mean, I'll skip the part. What am I doing? Keep pausing at the wrong time. But when you didn't hear me say what I was saying, I was going to say that I skip going to the part and I keep stuttering and I keep saying this every time. So yeah, I will skip to the part when I get the ultimate. Anyway, if you guys look down, I'm almost there, so yeah, bye. Alright guys, I have my ultimate ready, so I'm gonna skip the part and stupid zombie. Alright guys, here guys. I'm gonna use it in 3, 2, 1. Just tell me if you already seen it. This. I completely missed that. Alright, we're moving on to the next one. We're going to the chainsaw. Woo! If you guys are wondering how I did that, just click this. Alright. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot to tell the abilities. So I'm sorry guys, I was having so much fun. Alright. Now here are the emeralds. It's red. So we got I clearly didn't say it. Oh my gosh, I'm lagging. What? We have chain split wind line. Wait, isn't this the same ability? Whatever. I'll skip to the part when I have chainsaw ultimate bar. Bye. I'm almost at the end. I'm gonna use this. Oh my gosh. That's a broad game. No. That's you. Oh my gosh. I know I keep saying that's the chainsaw. There's so many of them. Come on. Come on. Stampede. Oh. Right guys, we're gonna finish the video when we get to the ending. Woohoo! I survived this on solo. See you later guys. I'm Zach and I'm out.